Chapter 3, Heart Rhythm Meditation, HRM. Heart rhythm meditation concentrates primarily on the heart and emphasizes breathing. It is a form of downward meditation in which you focus on rehearsing for life rather than seeking relief from stress. It is divided into 3 stages. In the first stage, you focus on the heart and breathe in for a set number of heartbeats. This makes you feel centered and your mind becomes calm. While you can do this with your eyes closed, you can also do it while walking or working. The second stage focuses on being aware of the measurable, energetic field that radiates from your heart with every breath. This is the energy field that interacts with the energy field of others. Becoming aware of this interconnectedness improves our connection with others, improves our sensitivity to others, and increases our influence over them. The third stage is the formal form of meditation where you feel united with the universe. It is a stage where you feel, I am part of all things and all things are part of me. The purpose of this stage is to find the divine in every human's heart. The first thing to do for heart rhythm meditation is to get the posture right. The ideal position is on the ground with a small pillow placed under your hips. Keep your back straight to ensure that the breath flows in and out smoothly. Shoulders should be pulled back so that it becomes easy for you to focus on your heartbeat. Next, focus on your breath flowing in and out. Notice how long you pause between. When you are agitated, the pause is almost non-existent, and when you are relaxed, the pause is longer. Next, focus on making the length of your exhalations the same length of your inhalation. So, if you are inhaling for 3 seconds, your exhalation should also last 3 seconds. Your breathing should be smooth without any sound. The next step is to extend your exhalation for longer than 3 seconds. Immediately inhale, and you will notice that your inhalation becomes longer. Now, extend your inhalation and exhalation length to 6 seconds. When you try to do this, you'll notice that your pulse beats throughout your body. Once you become comfortable with 6 counts, extend it to 8 counts. No need to do this the very first session, however. Do remember that your breathing needs to be controlled and you don't want to be out of breath or put pressure on your lungs. Go to 8 counts only when you are able to do 6 counts comfortably. Once you are able to extend the length of both your inhalation and exhalation to 8 counts, hold your breath after an inhalation. This means that you inhale for 8 seconds, then hold the air in your lungs for about 2 to 3 seconds. While you are doing it, be aware of your heartbeat. The next stage is to inhale for 8 counts, hold your breath for 16 counts, and exhale for 8 counts. Slowly increase this to 10 counts of inhalation. Hold your breath for 20 seconds, and then 10 counts of exhalation. Listen and feel your heartbeat while holding the air in your lungs. Don't rush. You won't be able to attain all this in one day, maybe not even in a week. Take it slow. Take your time in proceeding from one stage to the other. Finish your meditation by allowing your breath to return to normal. Spend a few minutes like this. Lie down for a few minutes on your back. Once you feel okay, get up and get going.